Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing video and I've got another limited edition beauty box and this is by Latest in Beauty and this is what it looks like. It's the Sunday Times Style Summer Essentials box. Really heavy box. So Latest in Beauty is based in the UK and they do monthly subscription boxes where you get to choose the products yourself. So it's a little bit different than other subscription boxes where they are a mystery box. I've just unboxed my June box, so I'll link that up above or down below. So if you're curious to see what the subscription is like, then you're welcome to take a look there. They also do limited edition boxes and this is their very first Style Summer Essentials box. So inside the box contains 16 products, 6 of which are full size. The cost of the box costs £46 and the value is £229, so a massive saving. It's available to purchase now off their website, so underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up the description and all links related to this box and the subscription box, if that takes your fancy as well, will be listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. I was kindly gifted this box from Latest in Beauty in exchange for showing you all and telling you all about it on my channel, so thank you Latest in Beauty. This is my very first like special edition type box of theirs and yeah, the products I've seen online already and I've had a quick peep inside and they look amazing, so I'm really chuffed to receive it, so thank you. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. Got a leaflet inside the box. This tells you all about the subscription and there's a £5 off your first box of 6 products. Instead of £15 it'll be £10 and I'll link that down below in the description. And then you've got a little leaflet here and it details all the products that are inside this box and just gives you a little bit of information about them. So this is what it looks like in there. So jam-packed, absolutely jam-packed full of products. So the first item is a Clinique and it's Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes and lips, and this is 30ml. See there? So I've tried this before and it's a really great product, really great product. So now quite a handy size to take with me. I'm going to Greece next week, so this box has come in handy actually because I'm going to be taking quite a few items with me. And yeah, this is perfect because I'll be wearing waterproof mascara when I'm abroad because I want to like obviously go in the sea and stuff. So yeah, having this will come in handy. So it just says Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes and lips. Moisten a cotton wool pad and press gently onto closed eyelids or lips. Even waterproof makeup will melt away. So there's that item there. Next we've got our OPI nail lacquer and this is a full-size product. And what are we? We are Don't Cry Over Spilt Milkshake, and it's like a, I can't describe the colour. It's an off-white grey yellow tone. I don't know what the colour is. So it says the ultimate creamy white summer nail colour that complements tan and deeper skin tones. Apply 2 coats for instant holiday hands. I'm going to put that on my nails, my toenails. I'm having my fingernails done in a couple of days time. I'm having gel overlays, but yeah, so I'm going to put that on my feet. I always fancied like a white, off-white type of colour. I've never used it on my nails before, so yeah, so there's that. Next we've got an ELEMIS and this is Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. I said that right. Hydrating Sleep Mask, and this is 15ml. This looks like there. It says an intensely refreshing gel mask that acts as a protective layer. It locks in moisture for plump, supple skin by morning. So there's that. Next you've got a matte lipstick and this is Powder Kiss lipstick in shade Sultry Mauve. Let me get that out for you. Oh, it's like a, that looks super matte, like a mousse it looks like. What's it called again? Powder Kiss. Yeah. It's nice. It's like a rose type colour. I seem to have a lot of these at the moment. A lot of these rose type colours, but let's see what it's like on my hand. Oh, it is. It's gorgeous. Really pretty. Really pretty. And it's, yeah, it's just like a powdery mousse. That's the way it looks like anyway. So this is a full-size item and it says a reinvention of the classic matte texture. This delivers a romantic blur of soft focus colour with a moisturised but matte finish. It works brilliantly with or without liner, the quintessential pink nude. So there's that. Then we got something in a box. What's this? Precision Liquid Eyeliner in black by Code 8. Ooh, I've never had this before, but that's the outer packaging looks like. Wow, oh, it's a brush. It's a brush tip. I do like a brush. You just get more. Oh, that's fab. That is amazing for an eyeliner. But yeah, it's really fine. Can you see there? See, the tip is really, really fine. Code 8 then, what's this? This is a full-size item, a high definition, water resistant, brilliant, pure ink eyeliner that glides on with a fine tip brush. Ideal for creating the perfect cat eye. I'm really chuffed that that's waterproof, so there's that. AVEDA, and this is a hand relief moisturising cream. Intensely moisturises for soft, subtle skin. I keep saying subtle, it's not subtle, it's supple skin. And this is 40 mils. That's what it looks like there. So this is a full size, a rich hand treatment infused with lavender, bergamot and rosemary. It is portable, instantly comforting and dreamily fragrant. So there's that. Next we got a BUMBLE Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer. Great. And this is like 30 mils. Spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. And yeah, that's all it says there. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to read up a little bit more about this. A hard-working leave-in treatment to protect, condition and refresh dry or brittle hair. And that's all it says really, but it's yeah, UV protective primer. So there's that. Still loads to go. Got a BAREMINERALS Barepro Glow highlighter and 14 mils. So that's the outer packaging. Ooh, so there you go. That's what it looks like there. Thought it did. It's got like a coconut smell to it, or like a cocoa butter smell. There, it's very subtle, you might not see much, I've just applied it down there. But a really, really nice sort of shimmery glow. So nice to put underneath like I wear tinted moisturiser or CC creams or BB creams when I'm on holiday. And I'm loving this at the moment. This is L'Oreal BBCS Magic BB Cream 5-in-1 Perfector. And it's white, but it goes on and it colour adjusts and it just gives me a really nice sort of tan sort of look glow. I've also got a fading tan on as well, so I am probably a little bit more darker than normal. But yeah, this would be, I prefer to use these type of things underneath makeup and then I might dab a little bit on top then. But yeah, no, that's really... This is a full size and it says mix these multitasking drops of light into foundation or skincare or dab them directly over makeup for gleaming summer skin. So there's that product. Then we've got a NARCISO Rodriguez for Her Pure Musk. Oh, it's a perfume. It's 10 mils. That's the outer packaging. That is really smart. I like that. Can you see there? What's it smell like though? I'm quite fussy with perfumes. Ooh, ooh, that is more, oh, I am the worst at describing a smell. Haven't got a clue what it is. Oh, that is quite nice. Yeah, I'd wear it like in the evening if I was going out. I can't describe it. I can't. I'll just look at the leaflet. Hopefully it'll tell me there. So it says, with an addictive heart note of musk surrounded by white florals and orange blossoms, this fragrance may be worn alone or layered. A timeless classic, perfect for sensual summer nights. Yay! So there's that. Next we've got a KIEHL'S product and this is Calendula Serum-Infused Water Cream. Oh wow, okay. And this is 7 mils. So a little pot there. This water-based weightless cream packs in hydration, leaves skin dewy and fresh, skin feels soothed and plump, suitable for all skin types. It smells nice. I love KIEHL'S products. Oh my word. I love their products. So there's that. Next we've got a little pot of, what is this? Laura Mercier. And this is, oh, it's translucent powder. A little 5.8 gram little powder thing there. You can sort of see. I won't tip it up too much because it'll probably fall out. Woo! But it's loose powder. This award-winning lightweight setting powder instantly blurs imperfections and minimises the appearance of pores, fine lines and wrinkles, ensuring a natural, healthy-looking glow on every application. Perfect size for holiday, isn't it? Perfect size. Next, we've got a Paula's Choice Skincare Resist Wrinkle Repair Retinol Serum for all skin types, and it says soothes wrinkles and firms skin. That's the outer packaging there. This is 7 mils. So that's what that looks like there. Blending retinol and antioxidants, a serum will target fine lines and wrinkles, improve firmness and brighten the skin. Be sure to wear sunscreen during the day while using it. So is that? Next we got a Fab Tan. This is Bondi Sands and this is self-tanning foam in dark. This is 110 mils. I've already got one of these and it is lovely. It leaves a really gorgeous, natural looking tan that can be built up. Don't be scared about the dark though. because it's not really dark. It depends, obviously, if you want to reapply it. Depends on how many layers you put on. I tend to put my fake tan on at night, wait until it sort of dries down a little bit, and then I sleep in it, and then I wake up in the morning. This tan leaves a heck of a mess on your bed sheets. I've got white brushed cotton bed sheets at the moment. And yeah, there was like a maroon coloured like blob mess all over my bed. But I used it when I went to Amsterdam. Only did one layer, so it just gave me a nice sort of natural tan look. My husband said, what the heck did I do to the duvet and pillows and stuff? But it washed fine, no problem. No staining, nothing. It came out. So I think if I was to do it again, I'd wear like a long like cotton shirt or a nightie or something like that, as opposed to like I normally wear like shorts and a bra top or something like that. It's an amazing tan. Oh yeah, it does leave your bed in a hell of a state, but it does wash, which is good. So I'm not scared of using it again. My husband would be like, oh gosh, tanning again. So it says it gives a deep natural looking tan, pump onto a tanning mitt, then apply in long sweeping motions. So yeah, so there's that. Now I've just had this actually. I chose this in my Latest in Beauty June subscription box, and it's Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Body Builder. It's body building hairspray, and this is 98 mils. And you can adjust the type of body you want from the nozzle here, which is bonkers. I haven't used it yet. I only received it a few days ago. So by just adjusting this nozzle, you can control how much body you want. I haven't got a clue how that works, but it sounds amazing. And yeah, I wanted it because I've got quite a few Living Proof products now, and I wanted to see what this is like because I do like the brand. So yeah, and I always use hairspray. Always use hairspray. A heat protecting body building spray for customizable oomph. Simply turn the nozzle to give more or less volume. So there's that. 2 items left, and we've got a Smashbox mascara, and this is Superfam Fanned Out Mascara False Lash Look. So it's like there. I didn't know what the brush was going to be like, but that's right. So I prefer bigger, fluffier brushes, but I'll give it a go. You never know. But generally for my lashes, I like something to really cling to them because they're short, they're straight, and yeah, they're just a nightmare. But no, I do like Smashbox, and I've never tried this before. So it says this lengthening mascara will give you modern fanned out volume. Get 12-hour length, lift and volume without heaviness or clumping. So I'll give that a go. And then lastly, we've got an eyeshadow palette by a brand I can't pronounce. SUQQU. Not SUQQU. SUQQU. It's Defining Color Eyes. That's what the outer packaging looks like. It's SUQQU. SUQQU. It might well be that. I don't know. I don't know. And it's SUQQU Designing Color Eyes 03. And that's the outer packaging there. Just plain black. What the colours like? Oh, they're all pretty. They're all shimmers. They're all shimmers. So you've got a mirror there, and then you've got little brushes there. Whoops, hold on. Let me get them out so they don't fall. That is so pretty. Shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. All of them are shimmers. Let me check them out. A quick swatch for you. Can you see? Oh, it's so pretty, so lovely. That is lovely. I'm definitely going to bring that with me. And I don't know, I don't want to bring big palettes with me. I tend to like little small ones, but I need a palette with some matte in as well. So yeah, I don't know what else to bring, but no, I'll be using that. Look at that colour. That is just beautiful, isn't it? No chuff to that. This is full size, and it says layer the shades of this versatile eyeshadow quad for depth, or use them individually for intense blendable pigment. So those are all the items. I'm going to quickly go through them all, showing you one by one what you'll get in this box. So we've got Bondi Sands Self Tanning Foam in dark, Living Proof Body Builder Hairspray, a SUQQU Quad eyeshadow palette, Paula's Choice Intense Retinol Serum, AVEDA Hand Relief Cream, KIEHL'S Serum Water Cream, Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder, Code 8 Precision Eyeliner Pen, ELEMIS Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial, OPI Nail Lacquer, Pure Musk by Narciso Rodriguez perfume, Superfam Mascara by SMASHBOX, Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover, Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil Hair Primer, MAC Power Kiss in Sultry Move, and BAREMINERALS Barepro Glow Highlighter. So those are all the products. There's 16 in all. The box costs £46, has a value of £228 or £29. And yeah, there's an amazing amount of products in there. Please let me know your thoughts. Have you bought this box already? Does this box take your fancy? Or is this box not for you? All your opinions and thoughts I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, if you enjoyed watching, please give me a big like. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.